Watch me redesign a pre-sale sales and thank you page in Kartra. I'm downloading a brand color board from Pinterest. I've imported it into Canva, and now what I'm going to do is just grab those colors. So I have the color codes. Now I'm opening up the sales page in Kartra, and I'm going to create here a palette for this page. Then I'm just copying the color codes over from Canva, pasting them into Kartra. Setting up this palette is going to make it much easier to update all the colors on this sales and thank you page and have them be cohesive. I'm updating the look of this pre-sale sales page and thank you page because I'm just not in love with the colors I chose originally. Here I'm updating this section, and I really love what I did here with the 3 different colors for the 3 steps, but I did end up taking that out of the page at the end because it's not part of the sales page copy template that goes along with this page. Giving a little update and refresh to the trust symbols there underneath the checkout. Always publish live while you're working. Here I'm just going to update the mockup. Here, the copy template has been updated to not only include what the deliverables are, but also what the outcomes are. So I'm just going to turn this into 2 different sections. And we've got a here's what's included, and here's what you're going to achieve. Cleaning up by removing that extra row. I'm going to add the About section. Here, this is one of my favorite About sections, but there are some tricky images that you do need to remove, unless you want the pink. Now we'll add the FAQ. I started out with this FAQ section. And then I didn't love the blue arrow in it, so I'm going to replace it with another accordion component here. And I decided this side needed a little bit of a background color so that it wasn't blending into the section above with the white background. Decided to add a button at the very bottom. This text block was giving me a lot of trouble to edit the font, so I just put in text instead. And there we go. There's a final page with that section taken out. And here's the thank you page. Here I was going for the 3-color look again, and then I decided to do the background boxes of these in that look since I did take that section out of the sales page. And I really love how this turned out. The dates on these 2 pages don't match, but it's okay. That's obviously going to be edited. And the color palette's going to be updated, but I like the way the colors show what you can do with your own color palette on the page. Plus, I just think templates that start out pretty are nicer to look at. Let me know what you think of the redesigned pages. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you'd like to grab these 2 templates for Kartra, I'll leave the link in the description below.